In today's video, we are going to cover how to add a manual journal in Xero. Start by signing in to your Xero account. Once you are in, look to the top menu and click Accounting. This opens the area where you can access several accounting functions, including manual journals. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the menu options are fully visible before continuing. From the Accounting menu, select Manual Journals. This takes you to the Manual Journals section, where you can review existing entries and create a new one. On this screen, click New Journal to open a blank journal entry. When the new journal form appears, begin by entering the journal date. This is the date that will be applied to the journal, so make sure it matches the period you want the entry recorded in. You can also add a narration if needed. This is useful when you want to include a short note that explains the purpose of the journal entry or gives context for anyone reviewing it later. Next, move to the journal line section. This is where you will build the entry line by line. For each line, select the appropriate account from the account field. Make sure you choose the correct account before moving on, since this determines where the amounts will be recorded. After that, enter a description for the line if you want to label what the amount relates to. Then fill in either the debit amount or the credit amount for that line, depending on the type of entry you are recording. Continue adding your journal lines until the full entry is represented. Each line should include the right account, and the debit and credit amounts should reflect the transaction correctly. Some journals will only need a couple of lines, while others may require more, but the process remains the same as you move through the form. Before posting the journal, check that the total debits and credits are balanced. This is an important detail because the journal cannot be completed properly unless both totals match. Review the amounts carefully and confirm that every debit has a corresponding credit. If the totals do not balance, go back through the lines and correct the amounts or account selections as needed. Once everything looks correct, click Post to save the journal and record it in Xero. If you are not ready to finalize it yet, select Save as Draft instead. That lets you keep the journal without posting it, so you can return later to review or complete it. Your manual journal is now entered in Xero and either posted or saved as a draft.